Early last evening, the captain announced, and actually we received a letter in our cabin, that due to the COVID restriction and change in legislation in St. Kitts, MSC Seaview is not allowed to dock there today. And the port was replaced with St. John's in Antigua. We are not the only ship here. Behind me, it's Carnival Sunshine, and because our excursion was cancelled, we decided it's a very good opportunity to try a local beach. Madalena, our cruise director, suggested Jolly Beach, so I can't wait to show you my experience on my first beach in Caribbean. Jolly Beach used to be recommended all over the internet as the perfect place for people watching. The free resorts located on this beach guarantee quite lively ambience. Unfortunately, during the pandemic, all these free hotels got bankrupt, and now Jolly Beach is a quiet spot with beautiful waters, white sand beach, and a little bar where you can enjoy the famous grilled lobster and the local beer. Going independently in Antigua, it's easy than you'll expect. When you leave the ship in the center of the cruise terminal, you'll find an official booth, or like a desk for official taxis, and there you can decide if you just want to go on the spot, and you are more than happy to pay the full fare to go, for example, from the cruise terminal to Jolly Beach will cost you around $65. We are lucky enough, at the same time of us, there are another two couples, and actually cost us $12 per person a return journey. From the port to the beach was a drive around 35-45 minutes, and quite interesting to drive through different villages, to look at the local architecture, to see the locals spending their day at home. And the beach was very, very nice, very clean, very quiet. Will cost you $20 to hire 2 sunbeds and an umbrella. And the next door to the beach, it's an absolutely lovely restaurant. The food was delicious. For 2 beers, you'll pay $8. I had the lunch and I had lobster, delicious lobster, and actually a lunch with lobster, with chicken wrap, with 4 beers and 2 rum punch cost us $75. So it was an absolutely lovely day, an easy day if you don't want to discover Antigua through an organized excursion by MSC.